things you need to think about when you're doing a major renovation to the exterior of your home or adding new structures. 1. Get a hold of your real property report. Make sure that you've looked at the real property report and where the property lines are, and that you or your contractors don't build anything outside of it. Another thing you're going to have to do is check with the city. Make sure that you know what restrictions there are on your property in terms of the city's rules that will say what you can build and where you can build it. Another thing you have to look into is if there's a restrictive covenant on your title. If you look at your title, it will say restrictive covenant, and that will say there are restrictions on what you can do on the property. There's a large variation in terms of restrictive covenants, in terms of what they control on your property. They're going to say whether you can or can't put a certain type of roof, restrict the type of fencing, or if you can put a fence, colors of homes, how many garages, setbacks from streets or alleys. You really want to make sure you look closely at them. And they're so broad, make sure that you look at them at the time you do your renovation and start making up your plans. Another thing to remember is make sure you have the required permits. Permits are usually pretty easy to get, but there's a number of different kinds of permits, and it's going to depend on what type of work you're doing on the property. An easy way of finding out is calling your municipality and asking them, or deal with a trade that you've known for a long time and you're comfortable that they know what they're talking about.